So this is one of my children that I don't pay for. That I've watched grow up over time. It has a cyst in her neck that we had two options. Drain it or cut it out. You can kind of see it's actually a pretty big cyst here and here. When's the last time we did this?
August 2020.
Okay. So,
no way, it was before that.
So what we're going to do today is just going to numb it up, stick a needle in it, and aspirate some of the fluid out. Last time it was not pus, it was kind of a weird oily substance. All right, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3. The main reason we're doing this and not draining it, we're cutting the cyst out, is one, can cause some nerve damage, and two, leaves a scar. And eventually it'll scar down if we get all of the stuff out. All right, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, let me know if you can feel it. Right there, it's tough. You can see the thing. There it is. You can see that oil. This is not motor oil, but it's kind of a oily gland. You doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Just trying to get all this stuff out that we can. So we probably got about 3 cc's of fluid out of it. Oh yeah, much softer. A little bit more. Does that hurt?
Mm-mm.
Good.
I just feel tugging.
Okay. Trying to make sure we get out as much as we can. And bring it out. And that's it. That's it.
Why is it always?
And you can see the swelling there, but the cyst itself is much smaller than it was. So you can see the lidocaine on the bottom and that oily substance, whatever it is, on the top. Pretty cool.